Welcome back. Well, in the midst of the raging political war over Rahul Gandhi's vote chori allegations, the NCP-SP chief, Sharad Pawar, has made a sensational claim. He said that ahead of the Maharashtra Assembly elections, two people had approached him and claimed that they could guarantee a victory on 160 out of the state's 288 seats for the opposition. Now, one of the senior-most Maharashtra politicians, Sharad Pawar, claimed that he arranged the meeting of the duo with Rahul Gandhi. But the two leaders were of the view that they should ignore this as it was not their way of winning the elections.
विधानसभेच्या निवडणुका जाहीर झाल्या त्याच्या आधी दिल्लीमध्ये मला काही लोक भेटायला लागले, दोन लोक, आणि त्यांनी मला सांगितलं की महाराष्ट्रामध्ये 288 विधानसभेच्या जागा आहेत आणि तुम्हाला 107 जागा निवडून येण्याची गॅरंटी देतो. ते झाल्याच्या नंतर त्या लोकांची आणि राहुल गांधी यांची विनंती त्या लोकांना जे काही म्हणायचं होतं ते राहुल गांधींच्या समोर म्हणलं आणि राहुल गांधींचं माझं मत या कामात आपण लक्ष देऊ नये, हा आपला रस्ता नाही.
Now, these remarks have triggered a political storm in the state where elections were held in November last year. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis dismissed the claim as Salim Javed's script and asked why Sharad Pawar remembered to speak up only now. He suggested that this could be a result of his meeting with Rahul Gandhi.
इतक्या दिवसानंतर पवार साहेबांना राहुल गांधींना भेटल्यावरच ती आठवण का आली? इतके दिवस ते बोलले नाहीत आणि आज अचानक बोलले. राहुल गांधी ज्याप्रमाणे सलीम जावेदच्या कहाण्या तयार करून त्यांच्या स्क्रिप्टवर त्या ठिकाणी रोज नवीन कपोलकल्पित कहाण्या सांगतायत, कारण पवार साहेब अनेक वर्ष राहुल गांधी जरी ईव्हीएम बद्दल बोलत होते तरी देखील कधी बोलत नव्हते. किंबहुना पवार साहेबांनी स्पष्टपणे अनेक वेळा भूमिका घेतली की ईव्हीएमला दोष देणं हे अयोग्य आहे. आणि आता अचानक मला असं वाटतं की अशा प्रकारे जे काही पवार साहेब बोलले आहेत राहुल गांधींच्या भेटीचा परिणाम दिसतोय.
My colleague Richard joins us on the broadcast with the details of how this could play out in Maharashtra. Now, in Maharashtra, the Mahavikas Aghadi had a loss, and in fact, Rahul Gandhi has raised several questions. He has even claimed that the election commission had manipulated the results and whatnot. But till now, this claim was not made, Richa. What made Sharad Pawar now suddenly make the revelation that a few people had approached him and Rahul Gandhi to turn the elections?
Well, ever since the Maharashtra Assembly election results were out, Shiv Sena UBT or Congress party have been blaming it on the EVM or use of VVPAT machines. But Sharad Pawar until now has been saying that it is wrong to blame it on EVMs. But now we are seeing this change in the opinion, and Sharad Pawar, who is the most senior leader of Maharashtra and in India, is putting blame on of use of this shortcut by the ruling parties. He's saying that there were two people who approached him who were guaranteeing 160 seats out of 288, and while Sharad Pawar himself was convinced that he does not have to take shortcut in winning elections, but he continued to arrange a meeting between Rahul Gandhi and these two individuals.
Okay,
now,
so the question is, who are these people? If he knew about them, why did he not approach the election commission or the police officials, isn't it? A lot of questions that still remain. Sharad Pawar has not answered that. Rucha, thank you for joining us with those details. Let's quickly put in some BJP reactions as well. In fact, there are many who are now gunning for Sharad Pawar and Rahul Gandhi, asking why did the two senior leaders not approach the election commission, the police or the courts?
अगर ऐसे व्यक्ति होते हैं जो इस तरह की टिप्पणी करते हैं तो ये लोग राहुल गांधी और शरद पवार के पास ही क्यों जाते हैं? सबसे पहले इसका मतलब घोटालेबाज पार्टी कांग्रेस पार्टी, जब ऐसे लोग उनके पास आए तो उन्होंने कोई फॉर्मल कंप्लेंट दी थी, पुलिस में दी हो या कोई प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस करके इस विषय को उठाया हो, निर्वाचन आयोग को कोई शिकायत दी हो या न्यायालय गए हो, ये कृपया करके वो जरूर बताएं।
अगर इतना बड़ा स्कैम करने का कोई दावा कर रहा था तो दो सीनियर नेताओं ने ये ठीक नहीं समझा कि इलेक्शन कमीशन को या पुलिस को इनके बारे में सूचना दे। और फिर ये दो लोग थे कौन? और दो लोगों से मिलने के लिए दो बड़े नेता तैयार भी हो गए। राहुल गांधी, जिनका एलओपी स्टेटस है। राहुल गांधी जी, अब आप पर सवाल है कि जब आपके हाथ में इतने बड़े फ्रॉडस्टर आए थे तो उनके ऊपर कार्रवाई क्यों नहीं की? तो क्या मंशा दरअसल कुछ और थी?
And well, the fourth season of the prestigious Times Now Amazing Indians Awards will be held in the national capital on the 11th of August. Dignitaries, change makers and luminaries from across the country will come together to honor these exceptional individuals.